Morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Now, today I am going to take up India's location and position. Since your childhood, like since I think from fourth standard, you know where is India and which continent it is located. All these things you are learning from the beginning, from sixth onwards. Say, okay. So India is situated where its location, at what longitude, at what latitudes, longitudes about it. You have already learned in 8th and 9th also. You have learned. So let's see where actually India is located on the earth. Okay. So India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. It is located in the northeastern hemisphere. That is above equator. Okay, this is Earth and north, south, next, and west. So India is located approximately here. It is located here. Okay, it is almost located. It is located here in the northeastern hemisphere. That is here. So all the latitudes, which are the latitudes which go from here, which are horizontal. Okay, these are the latitudes, right? So these are the latitudes, and this is all the north, on the north side. It is located, and all the latitudes will come of north latitudes only. And next, if you see the longitudes, it will come in the eastern hemisphere, which is all eastern longitude. It go from here on eastern longitudes. So they are all vertical, right? So they are all vertical. So it is in the northeastern hemisphere. Hemisphere means this side it is western hemisphere, this is eastern hemisphere, and if you see the directions of north and south, this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. So India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. All the latitudes will fall in the northern side latitudes and the eastern side longitudes. So let me tell you about India's till how many latitudes and longitudes it extends. Its extension from here to from north to south and west to east. Let's see. So first of all, in 10th standard, it is compulsory that you should know to draw India map. Now, how to practice India map? First, you practice up to northern side. Northern, the head part of it, Jammu Kashmir and Himachal, Punjab, and this side, till there you learn. Then you will see the western side, Gujarat and Rajasthan and all. Till there you have to practice how it is. Then south is very easy. Then you have to practice about eastern side, the Andaman and Nicobar, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and all, how to draw and that. If you practice in this way, you come to know many times. You have to keep on practicing, right? So first, let me draw India map. Now, very small one I am going to draw, children. So see how I am drawing. This can't be too small. So here, let me tell you, so this is India, and what are its latitude? Latitude means, I told you, these are the latitudes children, all northern side. So India on the earth from this point, I'm going to tell you from this point, that is latitude to this latitude. What is that one? From here to till here. What is the latitudinal extension? That is from here to here. So from here, if you are taking, it is 8 degree 4, 8 degree 4. Okay. Now latitude and next from here. So from here to then here, if you take a till here, if you are taking, it is 37 degree 37 degree 6 latitude. This is also north latitude. Got it, everybody? So latitude wise, if you are seeing from here, that is 8 degree 4 to it is extension is 37 degree 6 north latitude, and we are having in the south, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If you come there, it is 6 degree 45 and including, if you see this one. So, if you see till including Andaman and Nicobar, including that one, because it's going down, still down it goes. If you see that one, that will be 45 north latitude. Followed? So, see here, from here to here, if you are seeing, so from here it is 37 degree north and it is 8 degree 4 north latitude, and you see the extension, actually it is below. that is still we have our area, that is islands we are having, Andaman and Nicobar. That if you are including, it starts from 6 degree 45 north latitude. China. Then from here, if you are seeing the longitudinal wise, longitudinal is this is longitude, right? This is longitude. Okay. From here, if you are seeing the longitudes from this end to this end, it is from, like, if you see this point, it is eastern longitudes. It starts at 68 degree 7 longitude from here, run of Kutch, and then it ends in Arunachal Pradesh, which is 97 degree 25, and all are east longitudes. Followed? It is all are eastern longitudes. So from here to here, see the longitudinal extension, it is 68.7 degree, and next 97.25. Is it clear? Once again I am telling you, latitudinal wise, that is horizontal wise, it is, see from here, if you see this one, it is 8.4 degree north latitude to 37 degree 6 north latitude, and longitudinal wise it is from 68.7 degree and to 97 degree 25 eastern latitude. Okay. Now let us see the area, how much it is from here to here. If you see the kilometer wise, if you are seeing, it is from north to south. If you are seeing, it is 3,214 kilometers. How much? From here to here. If you are seeing the measurement from here, that is this point to this point, if you are seeing, it is 3,040 kilometers, and the tip point, this point in Jammu Kashmir is called as Indira Point. Indira Call. It is Indira Call. Okay. And this is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. And that point is called as Indira Point. In Andaman and Nicobar, this is there, which ends in the down, like I couldn't draw here. So that one is called as Indira Point to Indira Call in Jammu and Kashmir, right? And this is right here, Jammu and Kashmir. And it is called as Indira Call and Indira Point. Followed? And next, we see from the kilometers from Kanyakumari. You see from here to here, it is 3,240 kilometers. And if you see from run of Kutch to till Arunachal Pradesh, if you are seeing, it is 2,933 kilometers. Followed? And area of India. Area of India, it is 32 32 32 lakhs 87,263 kilometer square. So how much it is? 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers square is the area of India. From here to here, if you Jammu Kashmir, Kashmir is the end. From here to here, if you from north to south, if you are traveling by land, it is 3,240 straight. And next, from Run of Kutch, that is the end of the in the western side, and it is 68°7 eastern longitude to till 9725. If you are traveling straight, it is 2,933 kilometers. Next, from west to eastern side, and from north to south, it is 3,240 kilometers. And total area is 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers square. Is it clear? Okay. And the southmost point of India, Indian longitude, which is latitude, which is at 6°45. It is called as Indra Point, and 37°6 north latitude, which is in Jammu and Kashmir, that is called as Indra Call, right? Indra Call and Indra Point. Now, we see and you all know that India has water. Water we are having on all sides, it's covered by water. Yeah. See, we are having towards here sea, isn't it? This Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and side we have Bay of Bengal. So these coastal, we have land frontier in the north, and we need not worry, we have here in the north-western side, this is north-western side, this is north-eastern side, this is south-eastern side, south-western side. So we have 7 foreign countries, that is we are having, which is neighboring countries. And towards, first I will tell you the land. From here to here till here, children, it is land frontier. It is called as land frontier. Here to here, it is land frontier. Right? From here, here. All this is land frontier till here. Okay. And from here, that is from this side, see, it is water frontier. This is all water frontier. So water frontier, that is near to the water, the border is around 6,100 kilometers. It is 6,000 water frontiers we are having, 6,000. Yeah, I will write here water frontier. Okay, water border line, it is 6,100 kilometers, and including Andaman and Nicobar, it is 7,200 516.5 kilometers. Then land, if you see from here till here and here, that is land frontiers we are having. Land frontiers we are having 15,200 kilometers. Got it? 15,200 kilometers. You got my point? See, this is India, right? So we have land border. Okay, we are having 15,200 kilometers, and water border we are having, excluding Andaman and Nicobar, it is 6,100 kilometers. Including Andaman and Nicobar, it is 7,516 kilometers. Now, towards north west, we have this one, what you call it, our neighboring countries are Pakistan and Afghanistan, and we have Himalayan mountains here, and that is separated by China. China, we have our neighboring countries. Then it is Nepal, Myanmar. Then in the south we have seven countries, actually 7 neighboring countries, and in the south Sri Lanka. And India is 7th largest country, that is Russia and other countries and all. After that, Brazil and Canada and all. Next, India is the 7th largest country in the world. And important. It's the important latitude which passes from India. So that is Tropic of Cancer. From Rann of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh is there, that is 23.5 degree north latitude passes through India, and that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Next, the middle longitude, important longitude, that is mid longitude, that extends from here and it passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and which is 82.5 degree east longitude, and that is in Allahabad, and center of this one, center of the Tropic of Cancer passes, and that is in Allahabad, actually it is in Uttar Pradesh, and based on the center, this one, India center one, where this 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer and 82.5 degree east longitude are meeting together, the middle point of India is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and based on these timings, that is Indian Standard Time (IST) is followed based on this where this longitude will meet the center, that is 23.5 degree will meet center place of India. That is only followed all over India. Okay, that time is followed all over India. Now we come to, so overall you understood, no children, what and all. So once again, let me recall everything. So first, India is situated on northeastern hemisphere of the Earth. Next, the latitudes from where it extension, the extensions from south to north, that is the latitudes which are, it is 8 degree 4 latitude north to 37 degree 6 latitude north latitude, and longitudes if you are taking, it is from here eastern side, that is 68 degree 7 eastern longitude to 97 degree 25 eastern longitude. And important latitude which passes through India is Tropic of Cancer. It passes from Kutch to till Arunachal Pradesh. And next is it runs. Okay. Next is longitude. Important longitude is 82.5 degree east longitude, and the midpoint It is in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and the same kite which is in Allahabad only is maintained as Indian Standard Time all over India. Then next, if you see the north to east, the kilometers is around 3,100 kilometer, and from west to east side, if you are seeing, it is 2,933 kilometer, and overall area of our India, of our beloved country India, is 32 lakh 87,263 kilometer square. Next, if you are seeing the frontiers, land frontiers, that is from here, if you see, this is all land frontiers, okay, and that land frontiers we are having 15,200 kilometer. Next, water frontier. Water means we are having to the western side Arabian Sea, to the eastern side Bay of Bengal, and towards south we have Indian Ocean. So these frontiers, water frontiers, if you see, excluding Andaman and Nicobar, it is 6,100 kilometer. Including that one, it is 7,516 kilometers. Okay, 0.5 kilometer. And next, if we are having our neighboring countries, and India is 7th largest country in the world. And here in northwestern side, we have 7 neighboring countries are there. And which continent it is spread? It is Asia, right? Now, northwestern side, it is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Next, in south, we are having Sri Lanka. In the eastern side, we have China, Myanmar, Nepal, right? Okay. So next, we come to the administration, officially administration division of India. Okay. Yes. Now, these administration centers, we have 9 union. We have 9 union territories. And next, actually, we had first 7 union territories. But after 370 article, which is amendment, we have Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is also been included there. And we have 28 states where Telangana is the new state. And the smallest state is Goa, and largest is Rajasthan, and even national capital Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of India, and that also is included in Union Territories of India. So with this, I end up my this unit children. Unit 1 is over, and now you have to learn compulsory. You have to know to draw India map, which will be carrying for 5 marks. Your location and including drawing and all, it is 5 marks. So you have to be, you learn it. So as many times you practice, that will make you more perfect. Okay. Now with this, I want to give you home assignments. This is home assignment number 3, and I have questions on the board. Only 5 questions. No, very simple one I will give. You mark, you draw of India map are the following. Tropic of Cancer, degree longitude, capital city of India, Indira Hall, Indira Hall. So this is your home assignment number 3. So with this I end up my class, children. Thank you very much for watching. Stay home, stay safe.